Welcome everybody to another episode of MSK Coding. In this episode, I would like to show you how to calculate the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand on the clock. First, you need to understand how many degrees a clock has and how many degrees each hour and each minute corresponds to. As you all know, a clock is a full circle and it has 360 degrees. It also has 12 hours or 360 minutes. So, each hour is 30 degrees because 360 degrees over 12, the amount of hours, is 30 degrees. And each minute is 360 over 60, 60 being the amount of minutes in one full turn. And that is 6. So now we know that each full hour is 30 degrees and each minute is 6 degrees. Now we first calculate number degrees with respect of 12 o'clock, meaning how many degrees it is from 12 o'clock, for minutes. Hand followed by the hours hand. Difference between them would be our answer. But the hard part is getting there. So we're asking the player or the user to give the time no AM or PM and split it at a colon because that's usually how you do stuff, right? And then we read it into 2. That's why you have this dot split right here. And hour time and min time are our variables. Then we multiply the amount of hours with 30 right here. And we also multiply the minutes by 6. And we also put this if statement before because if it was 12, she said 12:10, in this thing it would be 0:10 because it's counting from 0 degrees and then 10 minutes. So we said if our time is 12, set our time to 0. And then over here we just set them into the integer counterparts. And you see we have this plus min time divided by 2. So this is the most crucial part of the whole thing. So now we move on to this part. Hour time times 30 plus min time divided by 2. This part right here is the most crucial part. And the reason is, whenever you have a time, let's say 7:30, the 7, the hours hand, is not exactly on the number 7. It shifts a little bit based on the amount of minutes that have passed. 30 minutes in this example. And so it moves halfway between the 7 and the 8, the hour hand. So the reason why we have divided by 2 right here is if you have, let's say, we could have 30 minutes and it would move 15 degrees. And the reason is it goes halfway. 30 minutes is half of an hour. And it also goes halfway between 7 and 8. So it goes 15 degrees, and that is half of 30. So it's min time divided by 2. And this is explaining how this works and why it's the most crucial part, because without it, the calculation would be completely messed up. 610, 125, and that's actually correct. But we're going to do something different. And it has to load. Do 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 do. Give the time, no AM or PM. So we have this, and we could put some time. Let's say 7:10, and I already know what this is going to be. It's 155. So using what we have right here, 7 is 7 times 30, which is 210. That is the first part of understanding this. That's 210 degrees. plus 5 degrees. That's 215. So you have our deg right here. Then we have min deg, which is min time times 6, which is 60. And if you do the math, 215 minus 60 is 155. And that's what we got. So that was some cool program that calculates the angle between the two hands on the clock. And you can comment in the comment section below what you want me to do for next episode. And I might think of something from your idea and do it. That's cool, right? Well, bye, and see you next time.